I did something very unusual today with my outfit. I wear black because I've been kind of allergic to black because I think it's been quite of an overrated color in menswear fashion. So I try to stay away from it no matter what, because my skin complexion is also a bit too bright to wear the black. But I put it on my pants, which kind of works because I get it away from my face. If it's close to my face, the contrast is huge. But down here it works. So I got a pair of socks here with a little pattern, black, grayish. This vest, tieless, a red pocket square to get a strong splash of color, because black is a strong color, so you can pair it with other strong colors. And a little pocket watch as well. And I think this outfit is kind of reminds me of, like, I look like a barber or something. Because, yeah, I haven't done anything like this before, but it's turned out quite nice. And the shoes, you can use black brogues like these, which is gonna be a good match. I also have a black belt pair, and usually you should not wear a belt with a vest, because it tends to pop it out like in a non-flattering way. But I'm a bit too skinny, so I really need the belt, otherwise I'm gonna lose my pants, and that's gonna look even worse. Look like this with butt crack is visible or something. So maybe I need to get a pair of, what's it called? Suspenders, where you put them, hängslen in Swedish. I don't have those yet, but that could be a good addition to this little outfit. So, cool vest, by the way, with these lapels. So, like it. See ya.